Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a whole house clean with me day in the life, getting ready to go on vacation. As you guys can tell in my thumbnail title, I did mention that we are leaving California. So yeah, we live here in California, but since the kids are already on summer vacation, we're gonna go ahead and escape to Oregon, to a much more fresher place. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I also want to mention that today's video is hosted by my friend Angie and also by Brittany, and I will leave their channels linked in the description box down below for you guys. It's also a collab, so there's a ton of other wonderful women in this collab as well, which the playlist will also be linked down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We're gonna go ahead and start off here in my kitchen. After breakfast, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up and everything. It's just something like a day in the life of a homemaking style, how I prep my house before we head out for vacation.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down.
So if you follow me over on Instagram, I have mentioned before that we were doing a remake over in our kitchen, which we are going to switch out the sink and the countertops. You can see clips here, and you will see another one in another clip. But our countertops, they are the regular laminate countertops, and years back I painted them, and I wanted to switch it up a little bit, so I decided to try and take off the paint and repaint them a different style. But well, apparently the paint was super stuck on, because it is such a struggle to take it off. We tried so many different stripping chemicals for paint and all that, and none of that worked. So we ended up having to go ahead and start searching for someone to change our countertops. So I was in between of getting granite or quartz, but I think I'm gonna go for granite, and I will let you guys know why I picked granite instead in a future video. But yeah, that's why my countertops look so horrible. So if you're not new over here, you are probably wondering why. But if you are new over here on my channel, I would love to have you stick around by clicking that subscribe button. Over here on my channel, I share tons of cleaning motivation videos, home decor. I love decorating for every season and holiday. I'm more into a European farmhouse style, which is a mix of old and new with dark woods and light woods and stuff like that. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to click that subscribe button after watching today's video.
You think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good though.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and quickly sweep my floors, and I'm going to be mopping also before I can move into the hallway and the living room also. I really didn't do any clean up in the dining room, because if you watched my latest video, if not, I will have it linked in the description box down below. But I had found the hutch that I replaced my old one with on a curbside. And so once I did that, I ended up cleaning like the whole dining room, mopping and everything. But I am going to be mopping again just so the whole house is remopped. But yeah, the dining room really didn't need any cleaning or dusting or wiping off because I had already done that before. And well, to mop my floors, I'm just using my old cedar mop. I love this mop for mopping my floors, cleaning the baseboards. It's just the best mop. And I just used hot water and some pine sol. I just love the smell of pine sol on a fresh summer day to clean my floors. Just makes my house smell so good and so clean.
And how you move, it kind of makes me go crazy. We should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted?
So in our living room, there was not much to do, but I did do a little bit of dusting with my Swiffer hand duster, and also on the fireplace because that seems to get very dusty a lot. And then I am just going to sweep and mop our floors in the living room, and before I could go ahead and move on to the kids or the guest bathroom.
Yeah. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted?
So now this main whole living room, kitchen, dining room, and entryway is nice and clean. I'm just sharing with you guys the afters. It's all real life here. As you can tell, I was watching novela on the TV. But yeah, once again, you can see a sneak peek of my horrible countertop. But besides that, everything is so nice and clean. Once again, if you guys have not seen the dining room hutch that I found on the curbside, go ahead and check out that video once you're done watching this one. I hope you're enjoying the video. If you are, don't forget to give me that like. And now we're going to go ahead and move on to my kids' bathroom. Here, I did clean the toilet also. I just didn't film that, and I wiped around the sink also. But it's like just a basically thing what I always do every day. But since we're going on vacation and want to leave my house spotless clean, I went ahead and scrubbed the kids' shower, and then I'm going to be steam mopping my floors as well.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever.
So I found this picture frame artwork on a yard sale for $1. So I wanted to go ahead and switch out the ones I had hanging here in the kids' bathroom for this frame instead. It's more of my style than what the other ones that were there, and I just love the picture. This is actually a picture of Mountain Shasta. If you have heard about that place, or if you saw it, we see that view every time we head out to Oregon. It's just the biggest beautiful mountain that always has snow on the top. But now I'm quickly just grabbing my Shark steam vacuum, and I'm going to be steam mopping the bathroom floors, and all I use is just some water and a few drops of lemon essential oil to do that.
On those strings, unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors.
And here is the afters of how our sparkling clean bathroom has stood. And then after these shots, I'm gonna go ahead and sweep and mop the hallway. I also have to wipe down our bathroom door, the boys' bedroom door, and the laundry and pantry doors as well. And there goes my oldest son. He didn't know I had the camera there, but caught him by surprise. But yeah, and then I'm going to be mopping our floors before I could go ahead and move into the boys' room.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be.
And I am a mother of 4, so I don't know, it's just now that the kids are on vacation, if I'm cleaning, they're just everywhere. Like, I don't know, they just always have to be walking over and everything. I'm trying to mop and they're wanting to go by. It's just a struggle with them, but I guess that's mom life. But here I am now inside the boys' room helping them clean up. So I am wiping down their big dresser. I'm gonna wipe down their TV and their mirror. My youngest son Eric is making his bed. Henry already made his. Then I'm gonna go ahead and quickly wipe down this nightstand between their beds before I could start vacuuming.
In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the roads and end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Now the boys' room is done and I'm walking into our laundry room. As you can tell, I just threw all kinds of stuff on there. I need to find a new place for my robot vacuums and all of that. That door that I keep on going in and out of is actually our garage door, so I have all my decor, like most of my decor, stored over there. So I just went ahead and threw that out there, and I'll just fix it another day or later on this day. But yeah, here I am just sorting the vacuum cords and dusting off everything. Then I also have to sweep, or I'm gonna vacuum in the laundry room. Then I have some laundry that I need to take out of the dryer, and then some of Jayla's dresses that are hanging on the other wall. You guys can see here the yellow and the white that need to be hanged up in her room.
But you got me good, or you got me good.
So like I mentioned before, my kids are on summer vacation, so that means all 4 of them are home today. Here are my girls, so I'm in their room now, and here I'm just gonna pick up a couple of jealous toys. I have to fold the laundry that I got out of the dryer, and then I'm gonna be wiping down their side tables, their dresser with the big dresser where their TV stand is at, and then also Jayla has a little arts table in the corner of the wall, which I need to kind of like sort out what she has there because she has all kinds of stuff on there right now, fixture crayons and markers and so on, and I'm also going to be wiping it.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to.
So it's getting kind of late now, and I still have tons of stuff to do besides cleaning. So I went ahead and just got the help from my robot vacuum so I could go ahead and have that vacuum their room. I really like using the robot vacuums because they do go underneath the beds, places where my vacuum doesn't reach. But here I am now straightening out my bedroom, making my bed before I could even finish cleaning anywhere else. And then I also have to quickly go into my bathroom. In my bathroom, I'm not going to be doing a deep clean because I just washed the shower the other day, but I do wipe the sink, the toilet, and the glass doors. And then I also do a little steam mop inside our restroom also. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Once again, if you guys are new over here, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thank you so much, Angie and Brittany, for hosting today's video, and all of the girls who joined. And don't forget to check out the playlist down below for some more motivation for some day in the life of a homemaking mother series down here. But yeah, I hope to see you guys all in the next one. Bye.
I am on my way. You've seen all the things, all the places. I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces.